Local news for Tuesday the 15th of May. A dog taken when a car was stolen in Masterton earlier this month has been found and is safely home with its owner. Yogi, the fox terrier, was in a Toyota Caldina which was stolen. A 33-year-old woman has been charged in relation to the theft. And Wairarapa police are looking for 36-year-old Jamie Linda King. A warrant has been issued for her arrest. Gerard Bourgeon, representing the Hawke's Bay Wairarapa region, has won the 2018 New Zealand Dairy Manager of the Year. Congratulations. And a police pursuit between Masterton and Carterton that saw the stolen car spiked has led to the arrest of two women on Saturday night, while in another incident, a person is processed for excess breath alcohol following a crash in Vivian Street. And in sport, Wairarapa College first 15 have earned their place back in Division 1 after a 22-all draw at the weekend with Rongotai. And Martinborough Football lost their Chatham Cup clash with Kapiti Coast, going down 15-0.